Streaming your favorite television show with the Empire Access channel on Roku is quick and easy. Once inside the Roku application, navigate to or search for the Empire Access channel by scrolling down and clicking Add Channel. Scroll down and select Search Channel. Using your remote, begin to type Empire. When the option Empire Access appears on the right-hand side, select it. Then, click Add Channel. When the channel added message appears, select OK. To begin watching TV, click on Go to Channel. Enter the login code provided to you in your email from Empire Access and click OK. Once complete, you're all set to watch TV. Questions on installing or troubleshooting the Roku app? The Empire Access customer service team is available 24/7 at 800-338-3300. Happy watching!